Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can set up withdrawals on Throne. Now this is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to just open your account on Throne, and after that, guys, you will be able to see all the products here on your Throne and like cash gifts that people have purchased for you here. As you can see, guys, if certain products are not available in your country, you can just withdraw the value of the product to your bank accounts. For example, this product is worth $400. Now I don't want it. I can just withdraw the how much it worth to my bank. Okay, so you can't directly withdraw to bank, but you will have to create Stripe account. Now to do that, you just need to click on here on this gear in the top right, and you want to click on balance here. Okay, so after, guys, you click on balance, you will be able to see here where it says account setup. Okay, your account must be at least $3.50 to set up withdrawals. So you will have to have some money here, you will have to have some Throne balance in order to set up withdrawals. Now if you have more than $4, you can just click on set up withdrawals. Keep in mind that Throne only supports Stripe. Okay, you will not be able to withdraw money to PayPal or your credit card, for example. So you will have to create a Stripe account. It's very easy, guys, to create a Stripe account, and then you can link it with your bank account to start receiving payments from Throne. Okay, so that's exactly how you can do that, guys. Just click on set up withdrawals, and then you will have to create a Stripe account. Okay, so Stripe is very popular. It's like PayPal. Okay, you can just search for it and you can see how you can create an account. So if this one, guys, helped you, please drop a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Drop a like and see you guys next video.